9 out of 10 hoes agree with me. Look, women want you to know the things that I teach you, and I can prove it. In today's video, I'm going to show you glorious evidence of my all-knowing, all-powerful wisdom on the topic of sex. And you're welcome. My name is Stirling Cooper. I'm an award-winning adult film star, a former high-class male companion, and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. So, I actually get a lot of flack from people in my own industry, the adult entertainment industry, oddly enough, for the things that I teach men. In particular, my sexual dominance escalation video course. The link is in the description down below, by the way, if you want to check it out yourself. But they're worried, they're concerned that the things I'm teaching you are too heavy-handed, too extreme, too advanced for the average man to dare try at home. Heaven forbid a regular guy tries to level himself up in the bedroom. Heaven forbid a regular guy tries to be better. Heaven forbid a regular guy tries to please his partner and give her mind-blowing orgasms in bed. Well, we can't have that. Jesus Christ. No. And it's only, actually, the women in my industry that seem to have a problem with me teaching this to you. However, there are a whole bunch of women out there on the internet singing my praises, agreeing with me, actually taking the time, heaven forbid, taking the time to send me a private message to let me know that what I'm doing is God's work. Let's get stuck into a few of these. Thank you, thank you, thank you from a woman who loves men but hates that so many of them are clueless about how to please their partner during sex. From the horse's mouth, right here, guys. I saw your video where you demonstrated proper neck holds, choking technique, and trap bites. If every man could watch this, there'd be a lot more happy, relaxed chicks out there. I agree. If men actually knew how to be dominant in the bedroom, and it's only a few different technical things they really need to know. If they got them down solidly, there'd be a whole lot of happy, relaxed, pleasured, satisfied women out there. But unfortunately, right now, there is not. Well, unless we spread the word, gentlemen. How about another one? Sterling, I just watched you in an interview with Victoria from My Non-Leather Life. If you haven't seen that interview, by the way, I highly recommend you go check it out. Victoria actually bought my sexual dominance escalation video course, and she loved it so much that she plugged it on her own channel without me prompting her, totally of her own free will. And then we sat down and we did an interview together, and she is one of these women who I actually see eye to eye with. She's very, very self-aware of what arouses her, what turns her on. And so it was a fantastic interview. You should definitely check it out. But anyway, I digress. This young lady who slid into my Instagram DMs continues. Just wanted to let you know that I found the interview incredible, hoping more men learn what you're sharing. We are here for dominant, confident, healthy men. Thanks and take care. What have I been saying? I've been saying you guys need to be more dominant, more confident, take charge and lead in the bedroom. Surprise, surprise, when a woman who's actually a tiny bit self-aware comes along, confirms exactly what I'm saying. You're welcome, guys. Now, the stuff I teach is applicable to every kind of guy. This is not just, getting good in bed isn't just about, one-night stands and having fuck buddies and these sort of things. Like, guys implement this stuff regularly in long-term relationships and in marriages and things. So here's a couple of examples of more people singing my praise, because this is my channel, goddammit, and I'm going to enjoy myself. I understand. I only got through the first 5 modules. We had some emails prior to this. But he continues. I only got through the first 5 modules and I implemented what I learned last night with my long-term relationship. Wow. She was extremely enthusiastic than usual. It's a bit of a typo. And I couldn't keep her off me this morning. This was just a snapshot on things to come best product in the manosphere. Oh, well, would you look at that? Huh. Another one. One more, because I'm stroking my ego at this point. All right, look. This is from this gentleman, Austin. Stirling. And this is a married man. This is a really interesting insight, this particular testimony on what I've been teaching guys, right? Stirling. Finished watching your videos last week and had the first sex with my wife of 10 years after what I learned. Well, after we were finished, she lay face down on the bed for a few minutes with a big smile on her face, unable to move and making moaning sounds. Think that might be the desired response. It is, my friend. That is the desired response. Took my time, teased her. There's a few things here I've had to blur out for privacy's sake. Eye contact, modifications of sex positions, yada, yada, yada. The whole mindset of I am leading her through an experience was a game changer. Kept control of my breathing and had complete control of the situation. This was hands down one of our top 10 sex sessions and reminded me of what it was like when we first started dating. Good news is there's still a lot I learned that I can utilize to keep the momentum going. That's a really key thing there. It reminded me of what it was like when we first started dating. Learning to inject the passion back into a relationship that might be a bit passionless is so vital. Sex is the glue that keeps relationships going. And I got a lot of flack, again, for the statement I made where I said I made this statement on Twitter a while ago, and I made this statement on TikTok. I made a whole video on TikTok about this. TikTok is garbage. Don't go. Stay on YouTube. Don't go to TikTok. Where I made this statement that the most counterintuitive thing that women enjoy in the bedroom is, in fact, losing control in the bedroom. And isn't it funny that I had a whole bunch of dudes in the comment section of this video saying, isn't that grape, bro? Isn't that sexual assault, bro? Look out, you're going to get a Me Too argument. And then I had a whole bunch of women agreeing with me. Yes, true, definitely yes, I can confirm. Yes, with 100% trust. Truth, yes, right. But do it lovingly, never forcefully, obviously. True, I love losing control with a man. Mic drop. Come on, guys. Do you need any more proof that I know exactly what the hell I am talking about? Look, by now, my ability to teach men how to be better in the bedroom is undeniable. But I'm a bit of a miracle worker. In fact, I was able to take a guy who was practically a virgin and turn him into an absolute wild stallion. That sounded like a gunshot. That also sounded like a gunshot. Those are both gunshots. Excellent. Okay, cool. Hopefully none of those bullets come up this way. Welcome to the United States of America. Look, I am a bit of a miracle worker. I was able to take a young Asian man who'd only had 3 sexual experiences in his entire life and turn him into a bedroom Lothario. Don't believe me? Well, check it out right here.